Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter the straight line, and in that chapter we discussed about the intercept of a line on axis. Okay. We also discussed about the equation of lines parallel to the coordinate axis as equation of a line parallel to x-axis, as well as we discussed about the equation of line parallel to y-axis. Okay, and we solved some question based on this concept. And also, dear student, in previous class we discussed about the different form of the equation of a straight line. Amongst them, first we discussed about the slope intercept form of a line. We discussed about the equation of a line in slope intercept form. First, we discussed about the equation of line in slope intercept form as what? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is what? Here m is the slope of line. Slope of line, which is also equal to tan theta. You know that very well. And here theta is the angle makes by the line with the positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise direction. And here c is what? Here c is what? Y intercept. Y intercept. And in previous class we already discussed about the derivation of that formula. Okay, y intercept means what? If a line direction passing through in this way, then suppose that OA, here O is your the what? Y intercept as C. Okay, y here y intercept as C. O here O is y intercept. Okay, dear student, if that line is passes through the origin, then what we have? If that line passes through the origin, then its y-intercept becomes 0 na. Yes, there is one important concept there. Please note down. If this line passes through the origin. Okay, dear student, if this line passes through the origin, that is 0 0, then its y-intercept becomes 0 na, because if that line passes through the origin, then in that condition the y-intercept becomes 0, that is then c is equal to 0. So the equation of line is we have then equation of y is equal to mx. Then what we have, dear student, then in that condition the equation of line is mx. Okay, now it is clear. Now we take and solve some question based on that formula. Okay, let's see. Let take and solve the question. Let's see. The question is, find the equation of a straight line of a straight line. Okay, of a straight line which cut off an intercept of which cuts off an intercept of length and intercept of length 3 on y-axis and is parallel to the line and is parallel to the line and is parallel to the line joining the points and parallel to the line joining the points, joining the points 3 minus 2 and 1 4. Let's see its solution, dear students. Dear students, look, in that question, we have to find the equation of a straight line. We have to find a equation of a straight line which cuts off an intercept of length 3 on y-axis and is parallel to the line joining the point this and this. Dear students, you know that in previous classes we discussed about the when two lines are parallel, in which condition the two lines are parallel to each other, if and only if their slope will be same. If their slope will be same, then the then the two lines are parallel to each other. So here we apply that condition. Now dear student, here we find the equation of line. Suppose that this is our required line AB, okay, which is our required line, that is O, and this is A, and here y-intercept is given by 3. This is the value of C, and is parallel to the line joining the point, and this line is parallel to another line. Suppose that CD, this line is parallel to another line which is passing through 2 points P and Q. P is 3 minus 2 and Q is 1 4. Okay, we find the equation of that line AB. Let us consider first, let M be the slope of the required line. First of all, we take M be the slope of the required line. Okay, then let M be the slope of the required line. Then what we have, dear student, let M be the slope of the required line. Then and this line is parallel to the another line, parallel to the another line which is passing through the point, which is passing through 3 minus 2 and 1 4. So slope of the required line is equal to the slope of line with passing through 3 minus 2 and 1 4. This concept is clear, dear student. Let's see once more time. First of all, we take M be the slope. First of all, we take M be the slope of the required line, and this line is parallel to the another line which is passing through the point 3 minus 2 and 1 4. It is clear from the question. And when these are parallel to each other, then their slope will be same, na? So slope of the required line, which take as M, is equal to the slope of the line passing through the point this. And you know that the formula, when a line passing through two given points, in that condition the slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So here we take as x1 y1, x2 y2. So we have as M is equal to, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here y2 is what? 4. Y1 is what? Minus 2 upon x2 is 1 minus x1 is what? 3. So we have as 4 minus plus 2 upon 1 minus 3. So we have 6 upon minus 2, that is 2 3 are 6, that is minus 3. So the slope of the required line M is equal to minus 3. M is equal to minus 3. Now look, Now what I do, dear students, here we have m is equal to minus 3 na, we have m is equal to minus 3. Now and we have, and the y-intercept c is equal to what? Y-intercept length 3, y-intercept is equal to 3. So the equation of required line, so the equation of required line is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. So that is y is equal to m, value of m is minus 3 into x plus the value of c is 3. So in this way we get our result as y is equal to minus 3x plus 3. So dear students, this is our required answer. So dear students, in this way we can solve this equation, right? In this way also we write as plus 3x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a straight line. So dear student, in this way we can solve that type of question. So dear student, you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c in that way. Now we take we discuss the next form of equation and the some question based on them. Let's see. Now dear student, you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Now we discuss about the another form of the equation of line, point slope form of a line. Now we discuss about the equation of line, in point slope form, in point slope form. Okay, in point slope form. This is very important topic of your syllabus. Just previous that topic we discuss about the equation of line in slope intercept form. Now we discuss about the equation of line in point slope form. The equation of a line, let's see the equation of the line. The equation of the line which passes through the point, which passes through the point. The equation of line which passes through the point x1 y1 and has the slope m is, and has the slope m is, y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Okay, dear student, this is very important formula in point slope form. This is the equation in point slope form. Let's see its derivation. Dear students, let's prove it. First, dear student, in that of your let the line passes through the point. Okay, let the line passes through a point q x1 y1 and let p be any, and let p xy be any point on line. Okay, Suppose that the student, let the required line passes through a point q x1 y1 and let t be any point on the line. Okay, on the line, then you know that slope of the given line, then slope of the given line, slope of the given line is what, dear students? Slope of the given line is what? M is equal to what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 na. So here we take as x1 y1 and let us take as x2 y2. We take as x2 y1. So here we have as m, y2 is what? y2 x2 y2, that is y minus y1 upon x minus x1. So after cross multiplication we have as y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So students, in this way we get our result as y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is the equation of line in point slope form. Now we take and solve some questions based on that topic. Let's see, dear students. Let's solve its question. Find the equation of a line find the equation of the line. This is very important question of your NCERT exercise. Find the equation of the line, okay, passing through 1 2 passing through 1 2 and making angle of making angle of 30 degree with y axis, making angle of 30 degree with y axis. Dear student, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus topic. Let's see its solution, dear students. Dear students, in that question, let's see, find the equation of a line passing through the point. The required point is clear, 1 2. The required point is what? 1 2. Okay, but and the making an angle theta with the y axis. If we apply the m is equal to tan theta, you know that very well. Here theta with the angle making the line with y axis, with x axis. Now let's see the figure. Suppose that this is, first of all, we making an figure yo y dash and xo x dash. Suppose a line passing through 1 2, so 1 2 in that point. Okay, so suppose that a line passes through in this way. Suppose that AB and here PB any points which is passing through that point 1 2. Okay, now and that line, suppose that is the line AB and that line making angle 30 degree with y axis, so that angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now we take some points L M. Here let us take M. Now look, dear students, here that line means line AB making an angle 30 degree with y axis. Now if we apply the slope equation of line in point slope form, then we got the value of m na, and here if we apply m is equal to tan theta, but here theta is the angle making by the line with x axis, that angle we find. If first of all we find that angle, okay. Now let us take that angle be theta. Now from figure let angle OML is equal to what? Theta. Then apply angle sum property in triangle LOM. Then in triangle LOM we get triangle LOM. What we get, dear student, we get as that 30, this is also equal to 30 degree. We have as theta plus 30 plus that angle is what? 90 degree. 90 is equal to what? 180, because of you know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So here we have what? Theta plus 120 is equal to 180. So we have as theta is equal to minus 120. So we have as theta is equal to 60 degree. We have theta is equal to 60 degree. So this is the angle makes by this line with the x-axis, So thus the slope of the required line, m is equal to tan theta as tan 60, and you know that the value of tan 60 is what? Root 3. So first of all, in this way, we find the angle making by this line with the positive direction of x, axis. So we get as m is equal to slope is equal to m is equal to root 3. Now we apply the formula of equation of line in slope point slope form. Thus, so the equation of line will be what? Y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Now let y minus the value of y1 is what? This is x1, this is y1, whereby the value of y1 is m. The value of m is root 3, x minus x1 is 1. So after solving that, let's see, after solving them we get as y minus 2 is equal to root 3x minus root 3. So we get as root 3x root 3x plus minus y minus root 3, that is plus 2 is equal to 0. This is our required answer. So dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now we take and solve one more important question of your NCERT exercise based on the same concept. Okay, let's see. This is clear now, because of in that question the I am making the angle given as making an angle with 30 degree with y axis. So here that angle is given. So first of all we find that angle applying that concept. After that we apply the formula for equation of line. Okay, now we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise. Question is find the equation of line. Find the equation of line for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, where theta is the inclination with line. Okay, and x intercept, and first point x intercept equal to 4, and second one y-intercept equal to minus 3 by 2. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Let's see its solution. Dear students, first of all we have m is equal to tan theta and it is equal to 1 by 2. So the slope of the required line is 1 by 2. Now we take and solve first part of this question. X intercept equal to 4 means what? Dear student, suppose that x intercept is 4. If suppose if a line in this way, this is the x intercept, na? X intercept is 4, so that distance 4. So the line passes through the point what? 4 0, na? 4 0. Dear students, x intercept is 4, so the required line is passes through the point what? 4 0. Passes through the point 4 0. Now here we take x1 y1 and m is equal to 1 by 2. So the required equation of line, so the required equation of line will be what? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. We put all the values of so y minus y1 is what? 0 is equal to m is what? 1 by 2. X minus x1 is what? 4. So let's solve it. We have as what? Y is equal to 1 by 2 as x minus 4. After cross multiplication we get as 2y is equal to x minus 4. So we have as x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is our required answer. This is our required answer as what? X minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Dear students, let's see. Yes, this is right answer. Now we take second part of this question. Your second part is what? Y-intercept is given as what? Y-intercept is what? Minus 3 by 2. Means that, so here the coordinate was 0 and minus 2. So the required point is passing through the point 0 and minus 3 by 2, na? Because of here y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. So the required point, the required line is passes through the point what? 0 and minus 3 by 2. Now and m is equal to always 1 by 2 take. So the required equation of line according to this concept. So required equation what? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Here y minus y1 is what? This is x1, this is y1. So plus 3 by 2 is equal to m is 1 by 2 x minus 0. So we have as 2y plus 3 upon 2 is equal to x by 2. X cancel to each other. So we have as x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. And next equation of line is x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the another equation of line. Hence we get our answer. So dear student, in this way today we clear all the concept based of the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c, slope intercept form, and also we discuss about the equation of line in point slope form. Now and we discuss some more important question of your NCERT exercise. Now dear student, you discuss all the topic which we discuss in that class. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that concept. Now dear student, in next class we take some new topic of that chapter and we solve the question based on that topic. Okay, first you revise and solve your NCERT exercise based on that concept. Okay, thank you.